Humans exist on planet Earth, which is located in the universe. The universe is everything including space, time, matter, and energy. It also includes all fundamental interactions, physical processes, and physical constants.
Do you know where you exist in this universe?
Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Allscientiopedia.
This is Earth. This is where you live. And this is where you live in your neighborhood, that's solar system. Here's the distance between Earth and the Moon. Doesn't look too far, does it? Think about it. At the furthest point, the Earth and the Moon are 2,52,088 miles away. Inside that distance, you could fit every planet in our entire solar system.
But let's talk about planets. The great red spot on Jupiter that's about 2 times as big as Earth, and Saturn is about 9 times wider than Earth. Saturn's rings are so large that few of the fragments within them are as large as mountains.
But that is nothing compared to our Sun. Just remember, this is Earth. This is Earth from the Moon. This is Earth from the Mars. And here it is, the Earth from just behind the Saturn rings. And the Earth from just beyond the Neptune, 4 billion miles away.
But a billion's a big number, so let's put that in perspective. 1 million seconds equals about 11 and a half days, whereas 1 billion seconds equals over 31 years.
Let's step back a little bit. Here's the size of the Earth compared to the size of the Sun. Terrifying, right? And here's the same exact size of the Sun from the surface of Mars. The total number of the stars in this universe is larger than all the grains of the sands on all the beaches of the planet Earth.
And there are some stars that are much bigger than our little wimpy Sun. The biggest star we know of, VA Canis Majoris, is about 2,000 times the diameter of Sun, but none of those compares to the size of galaxy.
In fact, if you shrink the size of the solar system down to the size of the quarter and then shrink the size of the Milky Way galaxy down using the same scale, then the diameter of the Milky Way is roughly the size of the United States.
That's because Milky Way galaxy is huge. Its diameter is about 1 lakh light years wide, which when converted into miles is about 621 quadrillion, 371 trillions, 192 billions, 237 millions, 333,890 miles. Inside of all of that is you.
You live in this tiny portions of the Milky Way, but even still our galaxy is a little run compared to some other. NGC 6744 is a spiral galaxy as similar as compares to the Milky Way and is twice as wide as the Milky Way, stretching over 2 lakh light years across. That is massive.
But let's think bigger. In this picture alone, taken by the Hubble telescope, there are thousands and thousands of galaxies, each containing their own stars with their own planets. Some of the objects seen here may have formed as many as 11 billion years ago, just 3 billion years after the Big Bang.
This period of time is considered one of the most busiest star forming period, and just keeping that in mind, that's a picture of very small parts of the universe. That's it for today's episode. See you in the next one.